Hi friends! This is part 7, the conversation between King Yadu and Avadhut Brahmina. To see the part 1 to 6, please refer to the link in the description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his 25th guru, human body. Brahmina's 25th guru was his own body. Avadhut Brahmina explained King Yadu along with 24 gurus from nature how he considers his own body also as a spiritual master as it teaches detachment. The body is subject to creation and destruction. It always comes to a painful end due to old age and disease. So, although using my body to acquire knowledge, I remain detached from it. Jiva accumulate the seeds of karma, and after many births and deaths, one achieves the rare human form of life which, although temporary, affords one the opportunity to attain the highest perfection, and so one should not waste his time in overindulging in this material body and sense enjoyment, but human form of life should be utilized for Krishna consciousness or spiritual practices. A soul in human body is compared to a man who has many wives and is constantly harassed by them. He is responsible for their maintenance, and thus all the ladies constantly pull him in different directions, each struggling for her self-interest. Similarly, the material senses harass the conditioned soul, pulling him in many different directions at once. On one side, the tongue is pulling him to arrange tasty food. Then thirst drags him to get a suitable drink. Simultaneously, the sex organs clamor for satisfaction, and the sense of touch demands soft, sensuous objects. The belly harasses him until it is filled. The ears demand to hear pleasing sounds. The sense of smell hankers for pleasant aromas, and the fickle eyes clamor for pleasing sights. Thus, the senses, organs, and limbs, all desiring satisfaction, pull the living entity in many directions. However, one should understand that sense gratification is available even in the most abominable species of life, whereas Krishna consciousness is possible only for a human being and so should be utilized to achieve the supreme goal of human life, that is liberation from the cycle of death and birth. Brahmina said, "Having learned from my spiritual masters, I remain situated in realization of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and fully renounced and enlightened by realized spiritual knowledge, wander the earth without attachment or false ego." Lord Krishna says, "O Uddhava, hearing the words of the Avadhuta, the saintly King Yadu, who is the forefather of our own ancestors, became free from all material attachment, and thus his mind was evenly fixed on the spiritual platform. Here we come to the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed the story and its teaching. Please do apply these lessons in your own life to be stress-free. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.